We believe that Services Action is the perfect way to support our mandala of Head, Heart, Self system here at BSJ. Our aim is to assist our local and global community through compassion and self-development. The best way for us to connect with our community is through the understanding of Head, Heart, Self system. Firstly, we have our head. We need to understand who our community partners are and the strategies we can use to support them, be these compassionate learning system tools or the IB inquiry cycle. Secondly, our heart. We need to find empathy towards the situation of others and have a compassionate understanding of the circumstances they find themselves in. Thirdly, ourselves. We need to explore what we can do as individuals and groups and reflect on what skills and strengths we have to support others. And finally, our systems. We will connect with our community partners, organisations, schools and charities to help them develop in the best way we can. Take this time today to explore our new Services Action website and think about what you can do to support our local and global communities.